Oh, that's yummy. Beef. Not yet. Not yet. Thank
This
you.
one is a beef chinchushi that you saw.
Yeah.
It's
That's
a
the beef.
special one, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought it's eggplant.
No,
It's a beef.
It's a special menu of our restaurant.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
We do just only the winter season.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think
That's gonna be our last day today for that. Okay. We think about it. Alright. Thank you.
How about we get the beef and lamb?
I want fish. We didn't eat fish.
I also want to try fish here.
Okay. Scary.
Well, I'll just have to try the other stuff first. We can get fish. No, that's okay, of course. Alright.
Wow, they have a lot.
This lamb.
Green curry. Yummy.
This lamb. These two
Yeah.
lamb dishes sound really good. That's all.
Pabuti na tayo ng 100.
Hmm?
No, I'm talking to my
Yeah. I've only got the one fish dish.
larb chicken.
I've only got the clara.
Panang curry. Ooh, panang curry. Platod karum. That's just barramundi though. We don't need that. Sorry, can you choose chicky?
Which lamb dish do you want? The massaman lamb shan curry or the lamb lamb curry? These two? Chef's next page.
Wings up.
Either this one or this one.
Pasaman. Of course this one.
This one?
The spicy one.
Okay. Right.
Yeah. Spicy wine.
Yeah, thank you.
Hola mi amor, nahuba ang latbi, daku ang latbi. Hi madam, ilalat. Hello, I'm with Ratbo. Yeah, I just want rice, yeah.
Right, we'll have the beef, please? And we'll also have lamb curry.
Okay.
And just rice for the two of us.
medium rice.
Oops, sorry. It can.
Yeah.
Yep. You can have glass of wine.
Can I just get a Sprite, please?
Would you like any drink?
No, thank you.
Would you like any entree pizza?
No.
We're right, this is the glass.
Yes. So we got one beef chinchushi and lemon pepper tea, medium black, and one Sprite.
Yep,
Thank you.
thank you. Is this spicy?
It's a bit spicy from the
Yeah,
curry paste.
I like it. Thank you. Ratbu. Oops, there's a flash. So, next time, Ratbu will make a content about motorbike. So, he just gonna say about some of ideas to all beginners out there na gusto magmotor ng mga big bike, ganun. Kasi si Ratbu, what age you started to ride motorbike?
12?
12 years old siya. Nagmamotor na si Ratbu. Dito sa Australia kasi mga talagang, alam nyo ba, yung mga ano dito, mga nagmamotor dito, talagang Good sila. Can I check? I just want to check. Check my Facebook. So I like Australia now because it's not so cold at the moment. It's not cold already. Wait, I just gonna put the camera farther because getting weird shape. Face, my face weird. Oh. Okay. So if you guys like a motorbiking, Ratbu will teach you how. Nabita, narigasti, mukurere cha, I will no cha, I chong, cha, I bash, I love you, I'm so take this flower. It's like Hawaiian. Oh, I'm only 10%. I didn't charge my phone. Shout out sa Tabs 13 Hagonoy Hood. Shout out sa inyo mga taga Hagonoy. Shout out sa inyo. Dito gusto ko ng gusto ko ng tawag dito Filipino restaurant. Si Ratbu, parang ayaw naman. Just fixing my clothes. Ang ganda naman. Thank you, JR Aguilo. Thank you so much for saying that to me. Shout out dol taga Kalamansig po. Saan Kalamansig? Saan yan? Shout out sa inyo mga taga Kalamansig. Saan yung Kalamansig? So, as you see, my ring ni Amor, ang ganda niya sobra. Kaso, syempre, ang ganda rin ng presyo. Nababaliktad siya, nagiging kulay blue siya. Yeah, that's the latest of BC. Ganyan siya. Nagiging blue siya. Ang cute niya. Diba? Pag nasa mood ako, blue. Tapos, pag ganito, solid gold lang siya. With small diamond sa gitna. And then, ito din. Ang ganda niya. Sobra. Ay, naku. Nag-i-slow connection na me. English. Sir, do you want me to speak English? Why? Saan ka sa Australia? Brisbane. Himala, ganda naman ng suit mo ngayon. Thank you so much. Lagi nang maganda suot ko. Ano ba kayo? Hello. Ganda mo, Lord. Thank you so much. May more end ko na yung live kasi alam niyo ba, ilang percent na lang ako. Parang 7% na lang. 7% na lang. So, next time, tuturuan kayo ni Ratmo na about yung sa motorbiking. Kasi, yung vlog niya, ayun yung magiging topic niya. Okay? Love you, mi amor. Ang pangit niyo, te. Oh. Carry lang. I'm pretty. Kabaliktaran yan, pretty. Sige na, bye-bye. Where are you from? I'm from Australia. Thank you so much. Ganda yung Lord from Summer. Sa Brisbane din ako, sis. Oh, saan banda, sisi? Where are you? Sige na, mi amor, na uban